Hey guys, welcome to Digital DIY Guide. In today's video, I will show you how to remove green screen from a video. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps of utilizing green screen effects in Capcut to effortlessly remove backgrounds. Let's dive in and unlock your creativity. Before we begin exploring the magic of green screen editing in Capcut, ensure that you have a green screen overlay ready in your gallery. If you don't have one yet, fear not. You can easily download free green screen videos from trusted sources like Pixabay and Pexels. Alternatively, you can even record your own green screen video using a screen recorder. Step 1. To get started, open Capcut and tap on New Project. Select a video as your background or feel free to choose multiple clips for a dynamic effect. Once you've made your selection, tap on Add. Step 2. Now, let's bring in the magic. At the bottom of the screen, locate the Overlay option and tap on it. Then, select Add Overlay, and choose the green screen video you want to incorporate into your background. Step 3. To precisely remove the unwanted background, tap on the green screen video itself. Scroll through the available tools at the bottom and find the Cutout, then Chroma key button. Tap on it, and a color picker will appear. Here you can select the green color or any other color you wish to remove. Step 4. Now it's time to make the magic happen. Tap on Intensity, and a slider will appear at the bottom of the screen. Simply drag and drop the slider until the selected color disappears like a fleeting shadow. Occasionally, the lighting of your subject may differ from that of the background. No worries, just tap on Shadow and adjust it accordingly to decrease or increase the shadows, ensuring a seamless integration. Step 5. Bring your creation to life. Once you're satisfied with the mesmerizing result you've achieved, tap on the checkmark located at the bottom right corner of your screen. This will apply the effects you've set. Finally, export your video as you usually would, and behold the stunning outcome of your green screen masterpiece. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to ride the wave of the green screen trend. Unleash your imagination, captivate your audience, and create videos that transport viewers to any backdrop you desire. Get ready to explore the limitless possibilities of green screen editing in Capcut. The world is your canvas.